So first come on this website gigabyte.com. So you go Gigabyte official website, then you can see here the search button. Click here and then type your motherboard model number, which is Z890 AORUS Pro Ice, and then hit enter. Then click to, you can see here the product. And click to here. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. Okay, audio driver. Click to download. It is downloading. So it is done. Just single click to winrar file and again double click. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. It is close automatically, means install it. So guys, it is installed and then close it. Chipset. So first one, click here. Okay, otherwise you can install this one also. All are there. So try to first one. I already installed it. When you click here to automatically install, start for downloading. After that, just open this setup exe. Then yes. Now this is installing. And then close it. LAN driver. Click to download. So just single click to LAN driver, double click. Now this is installing. You can see here the LAN driver. it is completed, then close it. Now guys, VGA driver, so just click to download. You can see here the 915 MB size. I already downloaded. You can see here, just after downloaded, to open file. After that, double click to setup. Click to yes. So guys, this is install. After close, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. You can see this is Wi-Fi driver. Just single click to download. So just single click to setup for Wi-Fi. Then yes. You can see here the Wi-Fi installing driver like that by cmd command. Close it. Then Bluetooth. After that, open, double click to setup, which is downloaded. Then just open and giving 2 years for administrator rights. Now this is extracting. Now Bluetooth driver is Intel Bluetooth driver. You can see here this is with version. So now this is installing. Wait few seconds. Then it is download. After install, it will close and then check it.